We are on recording number 3 for chapter 2 on chemistry, and I'm pretty sure this will be the last recording for chapter 2. So the definition for chemical reactions is chemical reactions are defined as the making and breaking of chemical bonds. So making chemical bonds, breaking chemical bonds, this is what happens when during a chemical reaction. Now, the molecules before the reaction are called the reactants, and they're before the arrow. And then the molecules that are formed that result after the chemical reaction, they're called the products, and they'll be what the arrow points to when you write the chemical formula. So what we're looking at here is how hydrogen gas and oxygen gas chemically combine to form water. And so in this chemical reaction, we see the reactants are hydrogen gas and oxygen gas, and the products are water molecules. And you can also see, because of this 2 in front of the H2, you can see there's 2 molecules of hydrogen gas, 1 molecule of oxygen gas, and then 2 molecules of water. If you just wanted to count the number of hydrogen atoms on the left, well, you know that each molecule of hydrogen gas has 2 hydrogen atoms, but there's 2 of each of those molecules. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 total hydrogen atoms. And then oxygen, there's only 1 molecule of oxygen gas, but it's O2, so there's 2 oxygen atoms. So then over on the product side, we can count the number of hydrogen atoms. It's H2, and then there's 2 of those, so that's a total of 4. 2 times 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the 2 in front of the entire water molecule means there's also 2 oxygens. And there's 1 here, and there's 1 here. All right, this is another chemical equation. It's called photosynthesis. Just an example. Photosynthesis, of course, is when plants absorb sunlight and they convert carbon dioxide and water to glucose and oxygen. They make their own food in the form of glucose. The reactants are carbon dioxide and water. The products are glucose and oxygen. Oxygen is given off to the atmosphere. You may know that plants release oxygen into the atmosphere, so it's considered healthy to have some plants in your home. I'm skipping some of this because that doesn't matter that much. Yeah, I think we're at the end. Look at that. That's a Luna moth. Look at those antennae. Okay, yeah, that's it. So this has been a short recording, but that's it for chapter 2, and then chapter 3 is on water, just the chemistry of water. So it's going to also include acids and bases.